going in the beginning. Hey y'all, we're being tourists in Seattle doing the underground tour with Danny and Jaime.
I lost the god camera.
Good morning. It's
Good morning.
early and we're at the airport.
Way early.
We're going on another trip. But first, coffee. Well, now that we have some coffee.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
I'm holding a camera, not my coffee, at the moment.
Where are we headed?
Olympia.
Washington.
Yeah. The Pacific Northwest.
So there were a couple of reasons for this trip. The first was we really were hoping to see his eldest daughter. She is in the Navy. She's in the Navy and on the boat the Nimitz.
She is on the Nimitz.
But if any of you are familiar with the military lifestyle, we don't really get to plan everything because she could be gone in a minute, and unfortunately we have this trip planned, but her boat's out. So that's okay, because the second reason is to go see our friends Danny and Jaime.
Yep.
Danny and Jaime, Chris met Danny several years ago when he worked at Seminole Harley, and you guys worked together for several years, and you had a really good relationship and became really good friends. I got to meet them through Chris, and they're really good people. They're friends that have supported us, and they made it to our wedding, even though there was a hurricane 2 days before our wedding. And there was like 40 people that couldn't
Literally
make it to our
hell or
wedding.
high water.
Yeah,
They were
crazy.
like, we're going to be there.
It was crazy. So I'm really glad that they made it. Danny was your best man.
Yeah.
He was the best man in our wedding. And they weren't going to miss it. They're such good people, and we love them. And they're like, friends that I consider family.
Definitely.
And we're kind of just going with the flow. We've never been to Washington. I am looking forward to it and spending some time with them and just kind of relaxing for a couple days.
We are currently sitting in MCO. We're sitting at the Orlando airport on the B side. It is boring.
We have
We're
like
just
an
sitting
hour
here.
before our flight.
But we
So
got our
just gonna
coffee.
Have some coffee, and we'll see you in Washington.
Yes. We will see you in Washington.
Hey, y'all.
Hey, y'all.
We're in the state of Washington.
Wash.
First time here. We are currently in Olympia with our good friends
Danny and Jaime.
Danny and Jaime, and we're at a local place called Westside Tavern, and we're gonna get some good grub.
We're gonna go get good grub. What did you order? Speaking of good grub,
I ordered a turkey sandwich.
I ordered the hot pastrami.
Pastrami.
Yeah. So
There's a pool table inside, and I don't know if I've told you all this, but I love to play billiards, so I might have to play again.
she may have to play.
Are you gonna be crabby if I beat you though? Sometimes I get crabby.
Yes.
Just all the time.
Like a grouchy nut.
All right. Hope you guys enjoy.
Like other big cities, Seattle is known for its largest landmark, the Space Needle, and other famous spots such as Pike Place Market, the Endless Waterfront, and the Smith Tower. But did you know Seattle has a varied past? I did not, but after I heard about the Seattle Underground Tour, I became fascinated, and Melissa and I were not hesitant to jump on board that bandwagon. Come along as we tour down below and visit the Seattle Underground.
Hey y'all, we're being tourists in Seattle doing the Underground tour with Danny and Jaime. I'm super excited about this.
Me too. Seattle has a bit of an odd history. It's like, technically it's a city built on top of a city, which is basically how the underground came to be. Under the streets of Seattle lies a hidden world. There's a maze of forgotten alleys, there's storefronts, there's old remnants from the past, there's evidence of days gone by. The Underground Tour on Pioneer Square is a must-visit attraction for anyone who wants to check out Seattle. The tour takes you through some intricate network of underground tunnels and sidewalks, as well as building fronts, where you'll discover the story of Seattle's early settlers, their struggles and their triumph, from the devastating Great Fire of 1889 that nearly destroyed the city to the intersecting solution of rebuilding on top of the ruin. The Underground Tour brings history to life in a way that will leave you spellbound. The Great Seattle Fire of 1889. On June 6, 1889, a catastrophic fire broke out in downtown Seattle, quickly engulfing the city's business district. The blaze began in a cabinet shop and rapidly spread, fueled by strong winds and the abundance of wooden structures. Within hours, it had consumed over 30 blocks, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. The fire's devastation was immense, leveling numerous buildings, including hotels, banks, and businesses. Hundreds of residents were left homeless, and the city's economy was dealt a major blow. Despite the efforts of firefighters from nearby towns, the fire raged uncontrolled for over 16 hours before it finally burnt itself out. In the aftermath, Seattle faced a daunting task, rebuilding the city from ashes. However, this tragedy presented an opportunity to address the city's existing infrastructure problems, including poor drainage and sewage systems. The decision was made to raise the street level, creating a new city on top of the ruins. The ambitious undertaking involved filling in the existing streets and constructing new buildings on the elevated ground level, leaving the remnants of the old city buried.
Hi, y'all.
What's up, guys?
We're back here from the state of Washington. We're taking an extra day to calm down and relax. We're at Universal Studios right now.
Hold on, I gotta say something. I lost the goddamn camera.
Yeah, so we, well, fortunately, I'm somewhat intelligent and I always have 2 to 3 cameras, so I do have some footage. So we're gonna put together what we can, but the best chunk of the film is gone because somewhere in the airport we lost the DJI. What is it, Action 5?
I don't care what it is, I lost it.
With all the footage on it. Such is life, such is a content
You
creator's
guys
life.
can tell I'm not excited.
But this is why I plan ahead and I have, other cameras going. So we're gonna share with you what we can, but most of our memories are gonna be right up here. And that's okay, because we've had a great time. Thank you so much to Danny and Jaime for their hospitality, for taking time off their work to spend with us, showing us some touristy stuff, but also some local stuff.
And for truly treating us like family.
Yep.
I want to say, I'm going to add this much. We are here now at Universal. We're going to do this. I don't know how we're going to do this, but today we are here to scout out what we are going to see come Saturday. Want to update them on that?
Yeah, Saturday's little adventure. You'll have a little snippet to those. That will be our adventure portion for that video. Is Halloween Horror Night. And I am a huge Halloween nut, in case any of you haven't noticed that by all the stuff in the garage. So we come every year and we are bougie. We spend the money on the RIP tour, which means we have
we spend too much money.
We have a guided tour and we get to go into every one of the houses, skip the line. So you get no line at your own, drink station. You get places to pull down and you get front row to the show. So I love this event. It's super fun. I'm really excited.
I'm excited.
Okay, we're gonna go walk around.
I'm bummed that I lost the camera.
Yeah.
And it's gonna weigh on me through this whole video and edit. You guys won't even see it. I'm gonna be kicking myself in the ass for this entire experience. But
Here we are. We're gonna try to salvage it and make something fun, and See you on the flip.
I'm more of it's okay. It'll be alright. That happens.
She is, but I'm not. It's the end of the world.
I have other cameras. We got enough. You guys will enjoy it. Hope you do.
Alright guys, I just want to leave you with some pictures and a little bit of video that we took on our phone. This here is Westport, Washington. We had an amazing time. Look at that wonderful woman. I want to say thank you to Danny and Jaime. Thank you for hosting us. Thank you for housing us. Thank you for driving us around and feeding us. And thanks for hooking us up with some wheels. I need to say thank you to Eddie Says Me for the use of the CVO, for us to ride around while we were there. I want to say that we had an amazing time in Seattle. We had an amazing time because of the people we were around, and we had an amazing time because of the state we were in. As always, wherever you be, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. Stay upside, and we'll definitely see you on the flip.